Hi, welcome to Excel Education. In this video, we are going to discuss about a combination of formulas. Now, in the previous videos, we have already learned the if formula, the or formula, and the and formula. So in this video, we'll learn how to combine all these formulas and get results. Across industries, the application of MS Excel is immense, and these combination of formulas is what makes Excel very useful and handy. As such, understanding combination of formulas is very important. Having said that, I request you to kindly watch the previous videos, which are very vital for understanding the concept of combination of formulas. Now, in this case, we have a case study. So, we have the sales parameters that are required for a particular company. The company insists that the sales achieved should be greater than 100 for a particular month, and the growth required should be at least 20 for a salesman to be eligible for promotion. Now let us take random sales of Raju, Babu, and Sonu, who are salesmen of that particular company. The actual sales achieved by them is by Raju, let us say it is 120. Let us say that by Babu it is 140, and by Sonu it is 150. Let us say that Raju has done a sales of 120 and he has shown a growth of 25. Let us say Babu has done a sales of 140 and he has shown a growth of 40. So, in spite of showing a sales of 150, he has shown a growth of only 10. Now, as per this condition mentioned here, we know that only Raju and Babu are eligible for promotion. Now, let us try to combine these two formulas. Let us try to understand the if and formula first. If and formula. Let us try to write the AND formula first. Let us find out if both the conditions are satisfied by Raju first. So we'll write the AND formula, and formula mandates that both the logics applied should be true. So the first logic here is that the sales should be greater than the sales achieved should be greater than the total required sales. I am going to log this cell B6 because it is going to be constant for us. If you do not understand how this absolute referencing works, I request you to check the first video of the second module. All right. And the second logic is that the growth achieved should be it should be at least greater than or equal to, I'm sorry, greater than or equal to what? It should be at least greater than or equal to 20, which is there in B7. I'm locking that cell as well. Even here, I think we have missed that is equal to mark. So greater than or equal to anything greater than 100 is fine. Here anything greater than 20. Growth anything greater than 20 is fine. Okay, so we have two logics entered and we can close the brackets. Now I'm going to merely click and drag these formulas, and you can immediately see that this person is not going to be eligible for the sales because the AND condition has turned false. Okay. Now we don't want true or false to be displayed, but we want Excel to display whether he's eligible for promotion or not eligible for promotion. Okay. So we are going to, write the formula if combined with and to get our results. So how do we do that? Now you can see that the and formula is already written here in the formula bar. I want you to focus on the and formula written here. So what I'm going to basically do is that we all know that if condition has three parts, right? If condition has three parts, what are the three three parts of the if condition? If condition mandates that we have to have a logic, and the logic is already there. The logic is already the true condition. So whether if there is a if B16, which is the sales, is going to be greater than 100, likewise the growth also should be greater than 25. So the logic is also already set there. We only people who are eligible for promotion, that is sales should be greater than 100, and the growth also should be greater than 20. Only then the logic becomes true. So we have the logic there. And what if the value is true? Value if true. If the logic is satisfied, then he is eligible for promotion. That is the value if true. And what is the value if false? Then in that case, not eligible for promotion, right? So we want the results to be displayed that way. So let us try to combine the if formula and the and formula. In this case, if bracket open, the moment I open the bracket, I are you able to see the difference here? I want you to focus here in the formula bar. The moment I start typing if and I open the bracket, immediately it starts with a logical test. So I am replacing my logical test with this AND function entirely. So entire AND function is my logical test, and to go to the value if true portion, I am typing comma. And what is the value of true? Instead of typing what is the value of true, I'm typing that instead of I'm just referencing it as eligible for promotion. I'm just clicking here and I'm locking the cell. Why I'm locking the cell? I request you to check the video, first video of this module. All right. What is value false? Again, I'm checking this B11 and I'm locking the cells. I'm closing the bracket. I get the results immediately. Now, instead of having true and false here, I'm deleting that. I'm just clicking and dragging and I'm getting the results exactly as expected. This is called the if plus and formula. I hope you understand this formula and I request you to kindly go through the video multiple times, pause as and when required, understand it properly, and then proceed to the second part of this video where I talk about the if and or formula. Thank you.